Check. Hi guys, what's up? How are you all doing? Today is a short road trip to a waterfall, so keep watching, watch full length. You see how we get lost in Eldoret because we are using Google Maps. I hope it will get us to that waterfall. I'll tell you the name when we reach the right destination. So I can't even tell you where we are, but I'm reading IN Hotel, and wow, look at these. Maybe they are apartments.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is Kisumu Road.
This is Kisumu Road.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are driving on Kisumu Road. Wow, so that is it. Wow, I think here is a big, yeah, the apartments are huge. Huge. Wow. All right, let's go. Wow, right now we have arrived at Eldoret International Airport. Oh, I thought it was a local airport, but it is international, meaning that you can book here a flight out of Kenya. Wow. So the road trip is happening now. It is not a long distance. By Google Maps it says it how long? 35 kilometers. Yeah, so not far from here. We shall be at the waterfall. Mulango. It has two names, Mulango waterfall or Chepkits. I don't know why. We shall get to know if we find any local tour guide. The source of champions,
Nandi County.
It is.
Where is the turning ahead on that road?
Wow. Even Tengobe, guys, this is the cow that we don't eat. Guys, I've seen Tengobe. It is a cow that we have as it is our totem.
Waterfalls.
My clan is Tengobe. We don't eat. Hey. Ooh, waterfall, Cheptik. Wait a minute. Chepkit waterfall tourism site, 2.7 kilometers. So we are almost there, guys. But the road is gravel, but I think first class. Hopefully there are no issues as we drive in.
Umbrella with my view.
Guys, we have just arrived, but we read a note around the road that here is the parking. Let me show you the post just in case you come at some point. Yeah, it is so safe. We have put it under the shade. Yeah, so to slope is easy, but to come up, let me even put the bag inside. The picnic. We are going to have a picnic down here. How are you? So this is the post that we have followed to park here. Cheptik waterfall. Huh? personal car parking zone amount fee, motor car 100, motorbike 50. Guys, so
Welcome.
you are super welcome. The way is here. I see even other tourists have parked here and sloped, but on Google they had said if you are a good driver and you have a how are you? Okay, yes, if you have a high car, I think these stones you can. Thank you, guys. They have said it is near, so let's slope and see. Guys, I'm about to carry my bag, my kiondo on the head. But you are super welcome, guys. Welcome to this adventure. If it is your first time on this channel, you are super welcome. My name is Christine Kamsime, coming from Uganda, but today my video right now I have been in Eldoret, which is in Kenya. So I was looking for an adventure around, so on Google they showed me there is a waterfall here, so that is where I am taking you. And if you are my returning subscriber, guys, you know the thing. We have walked this journey from the start, as I craft for you different kinds of videos, but most importantly I also share my sit down videos. I share the word of God, so if you see them, watch them as well, because that is the sole purpose that I am here on YouTube, to share good news to the ends of the earth, but also showing you my lifestyle here in Africa. And when I travel, I also take you along to show you the rest of the world. So my channel is CK to the world. Let us see K to the world. So you are super welcome. If you haven't subscribed, guys, love is for free. Kindly subscribe. Look at these cows where they are hiding. I think the sun is so hot that they had to come here and find a shade. Hello, cows. Wow, they look healthy, but right here, maybe this is the owner's home right here. Yeah, this is a village setting. Yep, so let's continue and slope. My sisters are behind. We are struggling to slope down. Now I am not sure on coming back, but we will have reduced the weight of most of the things, because there are drinks. We have in a few drinks to snack on our picnic. Yep. Is it this way or that way? I'm seeing a river here. Is it the one, or we continue? We continue. Wow, maybe that river falls somewhere. Not seen big cows like these. Never. No, so guys, look. Wow. Oh, it's so huge. Whoa. Guys, here we up. enjoying the days of our lives. Oh my God, what plant is this? Hear the sound. Look at these rocks. My God. And there are people over here. So let's go down. There is someone there. But I don't know where exactly he passed. Wow, this is so beautiful. Thank God I came. What? Whoa. Wow, guys. Yes, I am. Woo, guys, I am beginning to feel the breeze. I want to take you down, down, down. There are staircases here, so don't worry about me. Woo. Guys, there is someone having fun down here. How are you? Hey. Woo, guys, look. Guys, I'm getting wet. I have decided to dare it. Woo, guys. Woo. Hi, guys. Woo, guys, I can't climb. Whoa, finally, I am here. I am here, guys. Look, the waterfall coming from here. The rock. Guys, I'm dared. Kindly support me by subscribing. I'm even stuck right now. Woo. Wow. Look at this beautiful rocks. Guys, I am under the rocks. Wow. And there are people over here. They are saying hello. So guys, it is such a beautiful place. This place is called Cheptik Mlanga Cheptik waterfall, guys. Whoa, guys, let me go up again. I'm not sure I'm going to manage climbing. Woo, thank you. Guys, I'm climbing the rocks. Guys, I can't even breathe. The rocks. Oops. Yo. Guys, I'm even sweating. Kindly give the video a like, comment, share, subscribe. What else? Yes, I appreciate my subscribers. You push me hard, guys. And this far the Lord has brought me right here in Eldoret. This waterfall is called Cheptik. Guys, look at this beautiful hidden gem. Wow, the water is coming out of the rocks here, but I'm going to go around and give you the back view. Yeah, I'm going to the opposite side. You see guys are there. Hi, they can't see me. These are people watching the waterfall, so I'm going to go around and see myself there. Up here are my sisters. Hi, you're hidden in a rock. Guys, look at this, and here is the sun. Ooh, I don't know how long this is. Yo, wow, waterfall. Whoa, wow, guys, this is it. Wow, beautiful, guys. This is so breathtaking. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Whoa. Guys, this is where the source, the water that makes the waterfall. Look. Guys, look at this. Nature walk, nature walk. What an amazing adventure. And right here is my sister playing with the umbrella. But the sun, I am even sweating right now, even when the breeze is going through. Wow, what an amazing adventure. This is beautiful, this is breathtaking. Wow. Now I can go back to Uganda, a happy girl, going to make life again. Yo guys. The tour guide has told me this is the natural map of Kenya. Right now, I don't know. I am in Ethiopia coming. Oh. Ethiopia. Let me get it from the bottom. I see if it will come out. Guys, tell me if you are seeing anything like the map of Kenya. Maybe that is Uganda here, and here is the ocean. Guys, right now I am standing at the natural map of Kenya. Here it is. It is made by these rocks, and the green you see, this is how the map of Kenya looks like. All right, guys, I'll definitely see you on my next one. Bye bye. Look at this. I guess no one has ever walked that place. It is so virgin, like the trees are so big. Yeah. And right here, I think the waterfall comes down there. That's why I took you over here. I'm going to show you. Hello. Wow, the rainbow, guys. The rainbow. Are you seeing the rainbow here? Wow. What an amazing. Oh, look at this waterfall. Wow. So beautiful. Guys, here I am living the days of my life. What I say? Oh, there is a tiny one here. Yeah, it is. Wow, look at this. There is a tiny waterfall here. Maybe this is baby waterfall. This is the mother. Guys, look at the rainbow. Wow. So beautiful. Yeah. Guys, right here I met amazing, beautiful girls. We are here enjoying our lives. They are Kenyans and we are Uganda. So just know one love. Yo. We are just enjoying. My sisters are there having their moments as well. I abandoned here my bags, so let's go. Comment, share and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you on my next one. I love you to the moon and back. Bye bye, ciao ciao, adios. Secret to the world. Wow, enjoying the days of my life. Cheers, guys. I'm just having a bite at this amazing waterfall. Chepkit waterfall in Eldoret, Kenya. have had an amazing stay here in Eldoret. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Guys, like that. Here, being sun-kissed. Original.